This video will walk you through the steps to install BodyViz. Let's get started. Download the BodyViz delivery folder to your computer. If necessary, download it in sections if your Dropbox plan doesn't support large downloads. After downloading, unzip the folder to access its contents. You can delete the zip files once the extraction is complete. Double-click the BodyViz installer within the software folder. Follow the installation prompts, accept the license, and complete the installation. If prompted to allow an app from an unknown publisher, click Yes. Launch BodyViz by locating it in your applications. If you did not create your own account and password, BodyViz may have already created one for you. To find your password and change it to your preferences, use the Forgot Password button. Then, follow the email instructions to sign in with your updated password. If you are setting up a lab machine or a device that will be shared between multiple users, right-click on the BodyViz app and select Run as Administrator. Use the Enterprise section on the Sign In page and input the provided license key. This process will install the license key in a location for all users who log into the desktop app. You have successfully installed BodyViz on your computer. To add studies to the BodyViz library, open the My BodyViz library in the desktop app by clicking Studies in the top left and then My BodyViz library. Add scans by clicking Add BVFs at the bottom of the BodyViz library screen and select the Essential Human Datasets folder from within your delivery folder. As long as the contents of the Essential Human Dataset folder are uncompressed or extracted, you may simply select Open, and the files will automatically start populating into your library. Now, locate the cardiac CT file through the navigation menu or by scrolling through your file library. Clicking on the scan once will bring you to the dataset summary. To load the scan into the desktop application in 3D, select Load in the bottom right-hand corner. Left-click your mouse and drag to rotate the visualization. The image should be clear and rotate without lag. To quickly adjust rendering settings, select Edit in the top left and then select Interactive Rendering. These options will allow you to select the quality of dynamic rendering. If the volume is laggy upon rotation, you may need to lower the rendering settings. If the volume is rotating smoothly on your machine, you may adjust your settings to be higher for a more detailed visualization. Test these settings to determine what works best for your machine. You can find advanced rendering settings in the Preferences menu. The controller and menus will be varying sizes depending on your display screen. If they are too large or too small, you can adjust this in your computer's main display settings.